Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to slow down audio in CapCut on your PC. So it's actually super quick and easy. So first, simply start by opening CapCut for PC. From there, you then have to add your audio file to the timeline. Next, simply click on the audio track so it's highlighted. From there, you then have to look at the right side panel for the speed option. So if you don't see it, simply click audio, then speed at the top. Now simply drag the speed slider down. For example, you can go from 1 to 0.5x. That's if you wanted half the speed. As soon as you adjust it, CapCut will automatically stretch the audio waveform and play it back in slow motion. Now, if you want a smoother slowdown effect for edits or transitions, simply turn on curve, pick a preset like slow or hero and adjust the keyframe points to control how gradually the audio slows. And once it sounds the way you want, simply export your project and you're done. And that's it. So that's how to slow down audio on CapCut. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.